we are going to talk about fragments and run-ons. Now, these are the majority of problems that I see with student writing. They write a ton of fragments or run-ons. So, a sentence fragment is missing either a subject, a predicate, or both. So these can obviously be corrected by adding whatever part is missing. A run-on sentence is a little more complicated. So a run-on sentence is two or more sentences run together with commas, or, and I really want to emphasize this because this is a big one, or without any punctuation. So if you guys are writing those compound or complex sentences, but you're not adding the appropriate commas, it is still considered a run-on sentence. So keep that in mind. So these can be corrected. So a run-on sentence can be corrected by, and there are a couple different ways. They can be corrected by making it a compound sentence, complex sentence, or separate simple sentences. Okay, so whatever you have going on, it's up to you to decide what you would like to do, what would sound the best within your writing. So we're going to go down and look at some examples. So the first example of a fragment that they give us is students in the 6th grade. Okay, now students would be a subject. What I don't see here is a verb, so there is no verb. So to fix it, we could say students in the 6th grade class organized a bake sale. So then you added this verb, organized, and so you added a predicate. Okay, now coming over here to the run-on example, they say some students wanted to go to the museum, some wanted to go on a hike. So that's two sentences that have been crammed together with no punctuation, no fanboys, no subordinates. So what they did was they said some students wanted to go to the museum, comma, but some wanted to go on a hike. Okay, so they went ahead and made it a compound sentence by adding a comma and a fanboy. You could also make it two separate sentences by saying some students wanted to go to the museum, and then you could add a period here and then capitalize some wanted to go on a hike. So you can make it two separate sentences. You could also make it a complex sentence. And I'll show you how to do that. So you could say, although some students wanted, probably gonna run out of room, wanted to go to the museum. Oops. And my subordinate, although, is at the beginning, so I know that I need a comma. Some wanted to go on a hike. Oh, I'd have to say some students, sorry. Some students wanted to go on a hike. Sorry, that is so sloppy, but that would be an example of a complex sentence. So you can do it a few different ways. It's totally up to you how you would like to fix run-ons, whatever you think would be the best. So scrolling down, they give you two more examples, so one of each, and I would like you guys to go ahead and fix it. So the fragment, earned money for a class trip. You have to figure out what is missing. So is it the subject or is it the predicate that's missing from earned money from a class trip? And then please fix it. And then the run-on example they give you is the class decided to have a vote, comma, we voted by secret ballot. So they put a comma in here. However, this is still a run-on, so it's up to you to figure out what is missing and fix it.